AI, kaya mo yan. Create present and save more time. Mas madali with AI every time.
Hello everyone! Welcome sa Usapang AI tayo. Kung napadpad po kayo sa ating YouTube channel, malamang you have been looking for a simple tutorial which could help you figure out ano nga ba itong AI tools na sinasabi nila. It's a common sentiment amongst us non-technical people na you keep hearing about these AI tools, yet you really don't know where to start. So hopefully with the videos that we will share with you, mas magkakaroon kayo ng idea on the practical applications that you can use these AI tools, whether it's Gemini, ChatGPT, or Claude, prepare your reports and daily tasks at work and other even personal tasks that you want to do. For today's example, we will start very simple, but it's really one of the most practical application na nagagamit ko tong Claude, which we will use today. And this is with your weekly business review decks or even monthly, quarterly, annual, however way you want to use it. And to help us, I have also separately prepared a dummy stats. So, I am now sharing on my screen para you just have an understanding. Heto yung sample stats. Hindi ba at work, we have access to this, whether it's something you can pull yourself or it is something provided sa iyo by IT, pushed sa inbox mo, you would have access to this information. So, now typically, di ba, when you receive this, you have to either mag-create kayo ng pivot, use your Excel sheet, make it look pretty, and then copy, paste the table to your PowerPoint, or embed it there. So, you still have a lot of manual work to do after receiving this information. So, now tignan natin how we can use Claude to help us that a little bit more a little bit easier and mas mabilis for us. So, what you do first, so this is your home screen kay Claude when you have downloaded it. Click this plus sign and then add files or photos and then attach the document. And you will often hear from others, it's all about the prompts. Um, but since we're trying to do this very simply, para mas maintindihan ng mas nakararami sa atin who are just starting out, we will start with a very simple prompt, and it's to say, can you create a PowerPoint presentation from the attached information? Which sabihin mo na lang din, which I will use for my weekly performance review with the team. Napakasimple naman yan. So, we will see. So, while it is working on that, as you can see, yung POV natin dito is meron kang flexibility to use whatever design you want, di ba? So, sometimes, di ba, your companies may mga template na yan. So, siguro, we can either discuss that sa next video siguro, like what to do kapag may template naman kayo. But, it follows the same, rin lang naman process. Pero ngayon, just so we can focus, ang idea dito is that you have the flexibility to use whatever design or template that you. So, as Claude would process your information, na pa-prompt naman kayo ano yung progress. So, you just wait until si Claude ay ma-process niya lahat yan, and then we will receive a prompt to let us know if may kailangan pa siya sa ating information or okay na. And then, siguro he'll give us the prompt. Minsan, some you would refer to those who are using Claude or Gemini or ChatGPT for a longer period of time. Minsan, they would already say he or she or it, or may nicknames na sila, because they do become quite your partner in a lot of the tasks that you have to do, because they really make it a lot easier for you to do the legwork. So then sabi nga nila, di ba, the intent of the AI tools is to help you and not replace you. And so for as long as I think kaya nating sabayan yon, it would really be advantageous for us. So let us wait. So now it has given us an update of what it's doing. So visual QA, so checking the rest of the file, checking the remaining slides. So it is really good that you kind of can track, okay, anong ginagawa niya. And then you have an understanding of how Claude is processing your data. So nasa slide 5 na raw siya. Once Claude is done, you will notice that he will continue to update you on what has been done, ano yung itsura ng 8-slide deck in this case, ano yung KPI cards, AHT versus target. So, in-identify niya sa iyo yan. Sinamarize niya sa iyo ng ginawa niya. And at the same time, may fina-flag din siya sa'yo for your review, right? You have the option to download and open it, and on your right, makikita mo yung preview. There are times, minsan hindi niya yan ma-display like what you see here, pero pag dinownload mo na siya, makikita mo na siya. So here, you can see as preview page 1 to 8. This is how it looks like. So you scroll through it. And then, what you can do is, either you can download here, on the upper right hand, or you can just click here. So whatever you want to do, it's the same. It will download and open the file for you. So save. Okay, so this is what it would look like. Now we can look at it slide by slide. So at the cover page, it has an executive summary. It has average handle time versus target, team leader scorecard, call disposition breakdown. So these are the slides that it prepared for you. Now, after seeing it, right, sometimes you would want a change. So balik lang kayo kay Claude. You can ask it. So let's say top and bottom performers. So top 3, no? And bottom 3. So let's say you want to identify top 5. You can refer to it, to that slide, and sabihin mo lang yung change. So, for example, on page 7, for top and bottom performers, can you give me top and bottom 5 instead? And then, you will send that, and you wait. So, it is processing your data for you as well. So, ayan, na-view nyo na yung first page. Kanina lang it was taking a little bit of time to view it. So, while waiting, so hetong si Sonnet 5 Medium, those are the different models, no? And effort. So, we can discuss that later. Honestly, ako, default ko lang is for Cloud for Sonnet Medium because it also has something to do with pag paid version ka na, yung tokens na ginagamit mo, yung consumption mo, your account gets charged for it. So, kung hindi naman sobrang heavy or deep research yung kailangan mong gawin, kung mga ganitong preparation lang, I think you can even use effort low Um, so, it's really just a matter of preference. And we can, I guess the more technical people, they have videos that discuss at length kung ano yung mga difference ng models and ng effort. So in this case, so sabi niya, slide 7 now shows top 5 and bottom 5 CSAT performers. Jose de la Cruz and Rodel Castro, again, very, dami names and information. So yun ang kanyang na-add. And then we can now click download and open. So, heto na ba yun? Hindi natin na-close kasi kanina. Oh, heto na yun. Tama. So, now, on that slide 7, you will now see 5 top and bottom performers. So, that is how easy it is. Now, ngayon, kung kailangan mo siyang i-brand, obviously, you upload your logo, you change the template. We can go over that in a separate video where we would brand it specifically for your company. So we will discuss it then. But see, that's how easy it is to prepare your decks, do the entire summary for you. Again, just like what we did for top and bottom 5 CSAT performers, if you want to change anything at all in the slide, you can just add another prompt and it will make the changes for you. So hope that helps. And at least, um, at least meron na kayong isa. Okay. This is how I'll use pala AI at work. And then if you like this type of videos, click like and subscribe so you are notified every time we upload these similar videos para you can really utilize these AI tools and make everything a bit more lighter at work. And thank you for watching my video and looking forward seeing you hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you.
Usapang AI, kaya mo yan. Create present and save more time. Mas madali with AI.